Hello friends, this is Saumil Patel this side welcomes you with the new topic of the Wonderware Interscada. Okay, so in this topic we are going to discuss how to develop the project. Okay, and we are going to see of the window viewer, window maker, and window viewer. How to see that windows. Okay, and how it look likes that will be seen by the by this tutorial. Okay, so let's start. First of all, you are going to start your InTouch SCADA. Okay, so when you write down in your start command InTouch, okay, so InTouch symbol will be present when you install your software into your PC. Okay, okay, so while opening this InTouch software, first of all, application manager window will open. So in our last topic, what we have discussed about the application manager. So this is the application manager, right? While opening of your software in touch, application manager will be open. So in the application manager, all of the projects are listed down. Okay. So these are the demo projects which are inbuilt with the software installation. So that will be listed down. Okay. In this tutorial, in this video, we are going to develop our new project, right? So you can develop the new project from the application manager window itself. Okay, for that you have to press on the file, you have to press on the new, and here is the base path. You have to enter the base path where you want to store all your InTouch application. So whatever is the folder you are going to select, so that will be selected by in this browse button. Okay, so first of all, I am going to create the new folder in my desktop. Okay, InTouch projects. Okay, so that will be my InTouch project folder. Okay, I am browsing it. So this is the InTouch projects folder that I have developed in the desktop. I am selecting it. So this is my default directory for InTouch projects. Okay, so I am set as a default directory. I am doing the tick mark for the set as default directory. I'm going to click on the next button, and now enter the directory where you want to application to be created. Okay, so for example, I am giving the name project 1. Okay, and I am giving the name new application, means test project of my project name. Okay, finish. So you can say that my new project is now created. Okay, and here you can see that now the test project is my project name, and here is the path where the project is stored. C users at administrator desktop InTouch project is my projects folder, and in that projects folder I have created the project 1 for my project 1 folder. Okay, so in the project 1 folder I have created one project with the name of test project. Okay, so this is how you can create the project. Okay, so for the project creation you are using the application manager. Okay, now the second step is the window maker. Okay, so where you can develop your project. Okay, so you have to just right click and press on the window maker. Okay, so your project will be open. Okay, so this is the blank project because we have done nothing till now. Okay, so this is the blank project where you can develop your screens, where you can deal with the different types of tools. Okay, so this is the window maker window. Okay, so this is the main window of the development area. right? And here you can say that this is the runtime button. Okay, right side on the top hand side, you can say that this is the runtime button. So runtime is the button to go to the window viewer screen. Okay, so when I press on this button, so this screen will be open. So this screen will be nothing but the window viewer. At the top end side, you can see that this is the window viewer. Okay, and on the window viewer, right hand side, there is a development button is available. So when you press on that development button, you are again moved to the window maker window. Okay, so on the top end side, you can say that you can see that this is the window maker window. Okay, so this screen is window maker screen, and when you press on the runtime, window viewer screen will open. Okay, so three components are covered in this window, in this tutorial. Hope you can understand easily these three components of the InTouch. One is the application manager, second is the window viewer, window maker, and third is the window viewer. Okay, if I am closing this window maker, okay, my full InTouch application is closed. Now if I again open the InTouch application, whatever is the projects which I have created before, that is listed down over here. Okay, test project is listed down. If you directly go to the window maker, you can go. If you directly go to the window viewer, you can go. Okay, so you just right click and go to the window maker or go to the window viewer. If you directly view your project in the actual situation, you can go to the window viewer. If you change something, if you develop your project, so after development, if you want to modify, if you want to change, you have to go to the window maker. Okay, so right now, just we are starting. We have till now we have done nothing. Okay, with our project. So we have to develop. We have to do something with our project. So for that, I have to go to the window maker. Okay, so I just right click and go to the window maker. So my development area of the project will be open. Okay, so this is the development area, right? And that's it for this tutorial, and we are going to discuss about the menus and areas of our window maker screen, window maker window, in our next session. Thank you.